Hi friends, I am Sajidnya. Welcome back to my channel SciTech. In this video, I'll be doing the PUBG Ultra HD settings in the Realme X7 Pro device. So these are testing which I'm doing right now in the Realme X7 Pro using the Ultra HD graphics, playing the PUBG game, and I'll be using one time with the GFX tool and without GFX tool. So without using GFX tool, what is the maximum FPS you can get in this phone, and with using GFX tool and the Ultra HD settings, what is the maximum FPS you are getting here. So I'll be trying the both methods in this complete video, so try to watch till end of the video to get to know more results about this device. So let me try to show you exact model. As you can see, Dimensity 1000 plus processor, the phone which I am using currently. So so many people did ask me whether the phone supports any 90 fps PUBG gaming or not. So in case if you want to know 90 fps support test in this smartphone, so try to check the recently uploaded video on that one, Realme X1 Pro, so where you can find interesting videos. So not only on that, even there is a playlist for the Realme X1 Pro, so which will be very helpful in case if you are planning to buy this phone in the future. So let me try to quickly show you the settings what I am using right now. So let me show you the settings exactly, graphics what I'm using. So right now it is at the smooth and extreme settings, and you can see the FPS count, it's coming to 60 FPS right now if you're using the smooth and extreme settings. So now let me try to select the Ultra HD settings here, Ultra HD with high graphics settings, as you can see here. So everything is set to the Ultra HD graphics right now. So let me try to show you. So immediately the FPS decreases to 30 FPS, but let me try to start the match and continue with this kind of settings only. So these settings which are selected without using any kind of GFX tool. So without using GFX tool, this is the FPS I'm getting right now, friends, only 30 FPS. It's not that much. So this without using any GFX tool, but once you start using the GFX tool, the results might be different. But right now you got a clear idea. Ultra HD, you can play up to 30 FPS in this Realme X7 Pro. So now let me try to close the PUBG game. So I have closed the PUBG game, and let me try to open the quickly the GFX tool application, so which I am using currently here. So let me try to select all the options. As you can see, everything is selected to default, Ultra, 60 FPS, all these options to extreme, high, as you can see, your friends. And now let me try to start the game. And right now I decided to start the game using the GFX tool. So now I did select the GFX tool option. So let's see whether you will be able to get the 60 FPS frame rates or not continuously in this device. So this is the first time me using this Dimensity 1000 plus processor, and definitely there are so many advantages and disadvantages for this Dimensity 1000 plus processor. And in case if you want to know, stay tuned for my upcoming videos. So right now you can see, friends, the graphic settings what I'm using exactly using the GFX tool, Ultra HD, and the picture quality also set to high as well. And let me try to show you the FPS count. So it's showing 62 FPS count, 60 FPS count right now. So by using the GFX tool, you will be able to achieve this kind of 60 FPS without any problem in the Realme X1 Pro. But by default options, you won't be able to get that 60 FPS mark. Unfortunately, that's another drawback here in this phone. So I'll try to compare with the Realme X2 Pro as well. So here is my Realme X2 Pro device. So I'll try to compare side by side both phones, whether even the Realme X2 Pro is similarly like this or not. So it is pretty smooth and fine. There is no issues at all right now. As you can see, 60 FPS at the moment. So by using GFX tool, you will be able to play with the 60 FPS, and without using GFX tool, you will be able to play at 30 FPS. So this is a quick game tutorial of using the Ultra HD settings with GFX tool and without GFX tool. And for more videos, make sure to follow me regularly, and also to check the links in description for the playlist of Realme X1 Pro. See you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.